Alright guys, so welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's episode, we've got the Realme X2 Pro. So this has a Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, which is the fastest processor from last year. A 64 megapixel quad camera setup. We're going to open this and let's see what's inside. So we can see we've got the 8GB of RAM, 128GB of storage model right here. So we're just going to get right into it. So now let's just peel the wrap it off. And we're just going to take the box off. Hey, welcome to the Realme family. So we got a nice user's manuals as well as a free case in here. So this is just the regular TPU silicone case. So it's a dark case, which isn't the best because it hides the colours of the phone, which is like the Neptune blue variant, which we've got here. Little sticker on the back that you just peel. So yeah, this is just a free case that you get in the box to protect your phone, which is pretty nice because randomly, like the $1,000 phones don't have this, which is quite weird. But yeah, we're just going to put that aside for now. And you got the quick guide and the important information. So here's the phone, guys. This is the Realme X2 Pro. As you can see, there's where you would have your fingerprint scanner and also the notch right there. Oh, don't want to reveal too much. So as you can see, there's the back of the phone right there. I'm going to leave that aside right now, just for later. And when you go to the rest of the box, you just get this cardboard bit of packaging. This is the USB-C cable. So if you guys didn't know, this is the fastest charging phone in the world right now. Charges from 0 to 125 minutes with the included beefy 50-watt fast charger. Can't even get it out of the box, it's that big. Yeah, so that's the charger that comes in the box. This is massive in real life, nearly the size of the palm of my hand right there. That's how big the Super VOOC charger is. So that'll charge your phone from 0 to 100 in 25 minutes. Like I said before, get back to the rest of the box. Well, that basically just gets SIM ejector tools, so that just helps you put the SIM card inside. And now let's reveal the actual phone itself. So if you just take off the wrapping. It reveals the Realme X2 Pro. So I actually thought the back of this wouldn't look very nice because of the logo, but this is a really stunning colour. This is the Neptune blue model, and there's the quad camera setup, 64 megapixels, and I'll reveal the rest of that in the full review. Let's just peel the sticker off and turn it over. So as you can see, a pre-applied screen protector as well as the coloured power button, so that just helps you distinguish it from the other buttons. But yeah, really beautiful design here, and yeah, let's turn the phone on. Alright guys, so now that we've unboxed the Realme X2 Pro, I'm just going to give you like a quick insight into my last couple of days of use. I'm just going to give you some of the main specs. Snapdragon 855, 0 to 100 in 25 minutes, and 64 megapixels. If you guys didn't understand anything of what I just said, pretty much this means that this phone is an absolute beast. So this phone has been amazing. This is like the S20 Ultra, so the king of numbers. But this is the king of numbers for budget phones. So I'll explain this more into my full review. I'm going to make you guys wait on the edge of your seats. I don't want to give away too much information. So make sure you subscribe for that, for weekly tech content. I'm going to be doing more content recently. I'm thinking I need to make more of the phones that I have. I'm going to be giving this more coverage on the channel. So if you guys are excited for the Realme X2 Pro, leave a sub and it'll be very much appreciated. As well as like this video, comment down below your thoughts and opinions of the Realme X2 Pro. And I'll get more in depth in my full review. And stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.